Hi friends, this is Savan Kumar and I welcome you all to the Money, Business and Finance with Savan Kumar, and today we are going to talk about a topic, a word that is really important, really important for all of us. Whether we are a startup, a new aspiring business owner, or a person who has been doing business for the last couple of years. All of us have been said two lies in our life. Two lies that all of us have been said in our life from the very childhood. You know what those two lies are that have been said to us and everybody of us, whether I am in India or you are in US or UK. Everybody has been said of that same lies. And what those are? Number one, money makes money. And if you don't have money, you cannot make money. This is the first and the biggest lie said to each one of us. Money makes money, and if you cannot make money if you do not have money. This is the biggest lie. And the second lie is businesses need money to survive and to grow. Businesses need money to survive and to grow. And there is a bonus lie for you. Yes, and there is a bonus lie for you. And that bonus lie is that businesses fail because they were undercapitalized. Businesses fail because they did not have money. Businesses fail because they were not having sufficient capital with them. This is the third and the bonus lie for you. Yes, all of these are the biggest lies said to us as a startup, as an aspiring business owner or an established business person. All of us have come across these very lies termed as facts to us. Have you come across this? Have people said you this, that money makes money? Have you been said, or have you been thinking that your business is not doing well because it is not well funded? Have you not been thinking that your business is not doing well because it is not well funded? You are not able to hire good people, you are not able to have good people in your team, and so on. Or if your business has already failed, do you think or say to yourself that it was because you were not funded well? Was it because you did not have a good team? Have you been saying this to yourself? Then today is the time to change. Today is the time to change and to know the reason for all of these things and what exactly is the truth. What makes a business grow? What makes a business never fail? What helps you earn money? Yes, there is one small word, one small secret that can make you earn as much money as you want, that can make your business grow as much as you want, that can make sure that your business does not ever fail. And you know what the worst part of it is? We have never been taught about it in school. We have never been taught about it in our college. And we have never ever been taught by anybody whom we have respected, whom we have honored. They never said us this. And how important it is, you would have understood now how important it is to know this thing. Because it is important for you to make money, it is important for you to survive in the business place, it is important for you to survive today. For you to survive, that one thing is really important. And that one word is SALE, sales. Yes, this is one word. This is one thing that we have never been taught about, that we have never been spoken to about, that we have never been trained about. And we are expected to do this every single time. So you would have seen a lot of successful people around you, and you would have always wondered, man, why is he so successful? He has really good communication skills. He has got real good convincing power. He has got some real gift. But you know what actually it is? He is a real good salesman. Whether you are in your school, you are at your home, you are out in the market, wherever you are doing this every single time, every single second of your life. You are making sales. And if you are not good with that, if you are not good with making sales, you can never ever have money, you can never ever have a successful business for yourself, and your business is bound to fail. You are bound to fail if you are not a good salesperson. You have to make sales. When you are, as a student, you have to make sales. As a student, if you are, as a sportsman, if you are playing a game, you have to be a good salesperson. In a debate, you have to be a good salesperson. When you are convincing a girl to go out with you, you have to be a good salesperson. When you are convincing a bank to give you a loan, you have to be a good salesperson. When you are convincing a customer to buy your product, you have to be a good salesperson. When you are convincing your dad to do something, you have to be a good salesperson. So, no matter what part of your life you are in, you always have to make sales. Sales to yourself. Yes, you have to sell yourself also. If you have to convince yourself about doing something, you have to sell yourself. If you have to convince yourself about not doing something, you still have to sell yourself, right? If you have convinced yourself to not eat healthy, if you have convinced yourself to not work out, you have made a sales to yourself first. And a small misconception about sales is that it is always made when we exchange money. Sales does not happen when we exchange money. It is not only about exchanging money. Sales is not always about exchanging money. Sales could be about exchanging relationships. Sales could be about exchanging relationships. Sales could be about exchanging a room, exchanging a mobile. Sales could be about exchanging a thought. Sales could be anything. Sales can just be anything. Whether you make it with yourself, with your friends, with your relatives, with your family, or with your clients, your customers. Sales could be just anything. It did not be money any time. It never is money. It never is money. Sales is never money. Sales is about your ability to convince, persuade, and negotiate in a way that turns things in your favor without fooling the other person, not at the cost of somebody's trust, not at the cost of somebody's loyalty. Definitely not. Sales is not that. That is cheating. What sales is when I benefit and you benefit. If there is a transaction where I benefit and you benefit, that is when a good sales happen. And when you are able to make that good sales, nobody can stop you from becoming the richest person on the earth. Nobody can stop you or your business from becoming the biggest business on earth. And nobody can ever fail you or your business. So if you get yourself trained, so the best part about sales is you can learn it. Nobody is a born salesperson. Nobody. The only difference is that the other person who you think is a born salesperson has trained himself to become a good salesperson, and you have not yet started your training. So what do you think when you see somebody swimming and you have not yet learned to swim? That's exactly how sales is. You do not know sales the same way you do not know swimming, because you have never learned it, because you have never tried doing it. Once you are inside the water and you start learning, you can excel it. No matter what, you do not need to be a born salesperson. Nobody is a born salesperson. Nobody is a born swimmer. Everybody has to jump into the water to learn swimming. So you have to jump and start learning how to make sales. Yes, sales is a skill that can be learned. You did not regret. You did not say to yourself that, no, I do not have it in me. I cannot be a salesperson. When you at that point also is making a sale to yourself that you cannot be a good salesperson. You are trying to convince yourself hard that you cannot be a good salesperson, because that will require a lot of training, that will require a lot of hard work, that will require a lot of commitment and passion to be a good salesperson. Being a salesperson is never easy. Being a salesperson is never easy because you have to be in control. You have to take things in control. You have to make sure that you are bringing things in your control, and having things in your control is never easy. It has never been easy because everybody around you is fighting for the same thing, fighting for making the same money, earning the same relationships, getting on top of you, doing better than you. So you are into a highly competitive market, and if you are not a good salesperson, if you have not learned and mastered yourself in sales, you are not going to make it. You are simply not going to make it. I was a very poor, extremely poor salesperson, and I always said to myself that I am an introvert, I cannot make sales, I cannot go out and communicate with people, I cannot talk to people. Why was that so? Because I have never done that. I had never done sales, I had never gone out and talked to people, I had never spoken to you like I am speaking right now. That is why I did not know how to make sales. Today, when I learned making sales, today when I get myself trained on making sales, I am becoming a better salesperson. I get to learn new things. When I learn about sales, I see how scientific a process it is. Whatever is said there, how a customer says and no, how should we be following up, what should we be doing, how should we be closing our sales, everything is so scientific. And we say to ourselves, we cannot be a salesperson. Yes, we can be. You can be a salesperson. Everybody can be a salesperson, provided we understand and we know the importance of being the salesperson in our life, to lead a successful life, to lead a prosperous life, to lead a successful business and a prosperous business that is recession proof, that is failure proof. If you want to build a recession proof business, if you want to build a failure proof business, this is one skill that is going to help you succeed. Do you not want to get succeeded? Do you not want to be successful? If yes, if the answer is yes, then you have to go out and learn to make sales. You have to go out and learn to make sales. Yes, it can be learned, and it can be learned by anybody and everybody. You do not need a big university to teach you, because they do not teach making sales. You do not need to spend millions of dollars of rupees to learn sales, because no good university teaches you that. You have to learn it on your own. You have to learn it on your own. You have got plenty of materials online. You go out, go Google it out and be a wonderful salesperson, because nobody can stop you from becoming what you have to become, what you want to become. And I, Savant Kumar, wish you all the best to become the best salesperson of the world. Wish you all the best. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.